Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Guys, you know how much David and I like our wings. And you should also know that I like diversity. I have around 20 different flavors for wings, and out of them, probably 10 or so are on our website. Super Bowl is on Sunday, and what comes along with it is a big plate of wings. Here's another outstanding sauce. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Orange Sriracha Wing Sauce. It's fabulous. That's it. I have nothing else to say. Seriously though, the sauce is so delicious, and the beauty of it is, although it's perfect for wings, nothing's stopping you from using it with other proteins. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll add orange juice, some marmalade. Now to make this fabulous condiment, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then hoisin sauce, followed by low-sodium soy sauce, sriracha sauce, just to give some zip to it, a tablespoon of honey, and to get a great trick when handling sticky ingredients, click on the link. To this, we'll also add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll whisk everything very well and bring the mixture to a rapid simmer. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently until the sauce thickens and reduces by half. It should take anywhere between 25 to 35 minutes. The consistency we're looking for is like this: thick and starts getting sticky, which is perfect when tossing the wings in it. Keep in mind that as it cools off, the sauce will thicken more. And my friends, this is our Orange Sriracha Wing Sauce. With just a few ingredients, this is a flavorful sauce you really want to add to your folder. It's easy and the results are delicious. Although great for wings, you can use this tasty condiment for other proteins, such as lamb, pork, or duck. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!